What if everything you thought you knew about Earth was wrong? What if the very foundation of our understanding was built on a misconception? Imagine waking up one day to find that the world you thought you knew was completely different. What if, instead of a giant spinning sphere, our world was actually flat? This idea might seem absurd today, but it was once a widely accepted belief. The notion of a flat Earth has intrigued and baffled minds for centuries. It might sound crazy, but for centuries, many people believed exactly that. Ancient civilizations, from the Greeks to the Chinese, had their own interpretations of a flat Earth. These beliefs were deeply rooted in their cultures and influenced their worldviews. Imagine a world where you could sail off the edge, where the sun and moon were tiny lights in the sky. This was a world where the horizon was a boundary, and beyond it lay the unknown. The concept of a flat Earth shaped the way people navigated and understood their surroundings. This is how our ancestors envisioned the Earth for a very long time. Their daily lives, their explorations, and their scientific inquiries were all influenced by this belief. It was a time when myths and legends filled the gaps in human knowledge. It seemed to make sense. After all, the ground beneath our feet feels flat, doesn't it? The simplicity of this observation made the flat Earth theory appealing and intuitive. People trusted their senses, and the world appeared to be just as they perceived it. But as we began to explore, to observe, and to question, a different picture began to emerge. The age of exploration and scientific discovery challenged old beliefs and brought new evidence to light. The Earth was not flat, but a vast, complex sphere. Let's journey together through history and science as we unravel the mystery of Earth's true shape. From ancient myths to modern science, we'll explore how our understanding of the world has evolved. Join us as we uncover the fascinating story of our planet's shape. For many ancient civilizations, the Earth was a flat disk, surrounded by a vast, unknowable ocean. This disk sat beneath a dome-like sky where the sun, moon and stars moved across like celestial actors on a stage. They believed that if you ventured too far, you might fall off the edge and into the abyss. These beliefs were deeply rooted in their observations of the world around them. The Earth, from their perspective, did indeed appear flat. The horizon stretched out in a straight line and the sky seemed to arch overhead like a giant dome. Think about a beautiful sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky erupts in a blaze of color. But have you ever noticed that the sunset happens at different times in different parts of the world? This wouldn't be possible if the Earth were flat. If our planet were a flat disk, everyone would experience sunset at the same time. However, because the Earth is a sphere, different parts of the planet face the sun at different times, resulting in varying sunset times. Sailors noticed something peculiar long ago. As a ship sails away from the shore, it doesn't just get smaller and smaller until it disappears from view. Instead, it seems to sink slowly below the horizon, as if descending a gentle slope. This phenomenon, easily observable with a good pair of binoculars, is another clue to the Earth's curvature. If the Earth were flat, the ship would simply shrink in size until it was too small to see. The fact that the hull disappears first, followed by the masts, is a clear indication of a curved surface. Section 5. The Moon's Shadow. Around Earth's fingerprint. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for a spherical Earth comes from an unlikely source: the Moon. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow upon the lunar surface. What's remarkable is that the Earth's shadow is always circular, regardless of the Earth's orientation during the eclipse. This wouldn't be possible if the Earth were a flat disk. Only a sphere can cast a circular shadow from any angle. Section 6. Stargazing secrets from across the world. If you've ever looked up at the night sky, you've witnessed another piece of evidence for a spherical Earth. The constellations we see change depending on our location on the planet. Travel far enough south, and you'll encounter stars completely invisible to those living in the north, and vice versa. This wouldn't be the case on a flat Earth. A flat Earth model can't account for the drastically different constellations visible from different hemispheres. The only explanation is that the Earth is curved, with each hemisphere offering a unique view of the cosmos. Section 7. Gravity's unseen hand and our spherical home. Gravity, the invisible force that holds us to the Earth, provides even more evidence for our planet's true shape. This force is what keeps us grounded, quite literally, and it operates in a very specific way that reveals the nature of our world. When we drop an object, it falls straight down, pulled by gravity towards the center of the Earth. This consistent behavior is a clue to the spherical shape of our planet. Gravity pulls everything towards the center of the Earth. This means that no matter where you are on the surface, the force of gravity is always directed towards the center. This is a fundamental characteristic of a spherical object. Imagine standing on different parts of a sphere. Gravity would always pull you towards the center, ensuring you remain firmly on the ground. On a sphere, this means that no matter where you are, you'll always be pulled down towards the center. This uniform pull is what allows people to stand upright all over the globe, from the North Pole to the South Pole and everywhere in between. It's a seamless and consistent force that acts the same way, regardless of your location. If the Earth were flat, gravity would pull things differently depending on your location. The gravitational force would not be uniform. At the center of a flat Earth, gravity would pull straight down, just as it does on a spherical Earth. However, as you move away from the center, the direction of the gravitational pull would change. At the center of the flat Earth, you'd feel a normal downward pull. But as you move towards the edges, the gravitational pull would start to angle sideways. This would create a very different experience compared to living on a spherical Earth. But as you move towards the edge, gravity would start to pull you sideways as well, making it increasingly difficult to stand upright. This sideways pull would cause objects and people to experience a slanting force, making everyday activities challenging. The consistent downward pull we experience on our spherical Earth is a testament to its round shape, providing stability and uniformity across the globe. Section 8. Modern Marvels, Seeing Earth from Above. In the 20th century, humanity achieved what was once unthinkable. We ventured into space. Satellites and spacecraft sent back stunning images of our planet, confirming beyond any doubt that the Earth is indeed a sphere. Astronauts like Yuri Gagarin, the first human in space, have personally witnessed the curvature of our planet with their own eyes. Today, private space companies are making space tourism a reality, allowing more people to experience the awe-inspiring view of our spherical home. Section 9. A universe of wonder awaits. The Earth, our blue planet, is a sphere, a magnificent orb that floats in the vast expanse of space. It is a beacon of life, a sanctuary that harbors countless forms of existence. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, Earth is teeming with life, each species playing a unique role in the delicate balance of our ecosystem. This beautiful and fragile oasis in the vastness of space is protected by a thin layer of atmosphere, a shield that guards us from the harsh realities of the cosmos. The atmosphere not only provides us with the air we breathe, but also creates the weather patterns that sustain life. The clouds that drift across the sky, the rain that nourishes the soil, and the winds that shape our landscapes are all part of this intricate system. The evidence of our planet's wonders is all around us, waiting to be discovered if we simply open our minds and embrace our curiosity. When we look up at the night sky, we are reminded of our place in the universe. The stars that twinkle above are distant suns, each with its own story to tell. The constellations that have guided explorers for centuries are a testament to our enduring quest for knowledge. From the setting sun that paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, to the lunar eclipse that casts a shadow on the moon, the celestial events we witness are a reminder of the dynamic nature of our universe. These phenomena are not just beautiful to behold, They are also windows into the workings of the cosmos, offering us glimpses into the forces that shape our world. From the constellations in the night sky that have inspired myths and legends, to the very force that holds us to the ground, gravity, everything points to the same undeniable truth. We are part of a vast and interconnected universe. Gravity, the force that keeps us anchored to our planet, also governs the motion of celestial bodies, creating the cosmic dance that we observe in the night sky. The scientific evidence that supports our understanding of the universe is overwhelming. Space exploration has provided us with visual proof of our round Earth, and the data collected by satellites and telescopes has expanded our knowledge of the cosmos. These advancements are a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of truth. Let us always remember the spirit of exploration and discovery that led us to this understanding. The pioneers who ventured into the unknown, the scientists who conducted groundbreaking research, and the astronauts who journeyed beyond our planet have all contributed to our collective knowledge. Their achievements inspire us to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, from the formation of galaxies to the nature of dark matter. Each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the fundamental laws that govern our existence. The cosmic wonders that we observe are not just distant phenomena. They are part of the same universe that we inhabit, connected by the same physical principles. It is our human spirit of inquiry that will continue to push the boundaries of knowledge and illuminate the wonders of our cosmos. As we gaze at the stars and ponder the mysteries of the universe, let us be guided by our curiosity and our desire to understand the world around us. The journey of discovery is never ending, and the universe is a vast frontier that awaits our exploration.